Yeah, good evening, my dear children. We discussed about the quadratic equations chapter, and we have discussed about the applications of quadratic equations. That means how to solve a quadratic equation, what are the methods involving in solving a quadratic equation. These all we have discussed. Okay. Now, one of my student has asked, Sir, what is the use of learning a quadratic equation which will be helpful for us in real life situations? Okay, my dear boy, for this question, I'm having one solution with me. Okay, in real life situation also, quadratic equations are used in finding the ages of persons, and in time and work we use, and in finding the distance also we can use. There are so many areas where we can use the concept of quadratic equation to get the required result. Here I would like to share one real life situation where we can use the concept of quadratic equation. Okay, coming to that point, for example, uh, the sum of the ages of son and their father is 45 years. Okay, and the product of their ages 5 years ago 5 years ago, the product of their ages was 34 years. Find the present ages of son and father. This is the question. Okay, let us solve how the quadratic equation concept will help us in getting the solution for this question. Okay, let us suppose that present age of father is x years, then son will be 45 minus x. Why? Because sum of their ages is given as 45 in the question. Okay, present age of father is x, son's present age will be 45 minus x, because the sum of their ages was given as 45 years. Now 5 years ago, what will be the age of father? X minus 5. What will be the age of son? 45 minus x minus 5. That means 45 minus 5, 40 minus x. Now the product of these ages is given as 34. Okay, coming to the solution, x minus 5 into 40 minus x is equal to 34. Am I right? Now let us go ahead and solve this. X into 40, it will be 40x. X into minus x will be minus x square. Minus 5 into 40 will be minus 200. Minus 5 into minus x will be plus 5x is equal to 34. Now what do we get? Minus x square plus 40 plus 5 will become plus 45x minus 200 is equal to 34. I will transpose all the terms from LHS to RHS. What do we get? Minus x square transposed, it will become plus x square. Plus 45 will be transposed, it becomes minus 45. And minus 200 transposed, it becomes plus 200 plus 34, it becomes plus 234 is equal to 0. Now we got an equation which is nothing but the quadratic equation. Now we have to solve for x to get the value of age of father. Once you get the age of father, we can find the age of son. So now what we have to do? We can solve this quadratic equation by the three methods what we have learnt earlier. We have learnt solving by factorization, that means splitting the middle term and getting the answer. Second one is by completing the square method and by using quadratic formula. So the best one is, let's go and simplify by using splitting the middle term concept. So minus 45x should be splitted into two terms so that their sum or difference will be equal to minus 45, and their product must be equal to 234. Okay, 234. Now let's go ahead and solve it. For this I would like to go for the find the factors of 234. Okay, 112 times, no 117. Now this will go with the 3, 39. Okay, now 39 is there, 6 is there. Now 39 plus 6 will become 45, and 39 into 6 will be 234. So 45 will be splitted as minus 39x minus 6x plus 234 is equal to 0. Now what do we have to do? We have to take common over here. Okay, so give me 1 minute. I would like to erase the board. Now I'll take x common in these two terms, Nana. So I'll get x of x minus 39, and here I can take minus 6 common. X minus 39 is equal to 0. Now what I will get? I'll get x minus 6 and x minus 39 is equal to 0. Product of two terms is equal to 0. So either first term will be equal to 0 or the second term will be equal to 0. So x minus 6 is equal to 0 or x minus 39 is equal to 0. Now what do we get? We will get x is equal to 6 or x is equal to 39. We got two possible values for x. What is x? The age of father. But age of father can't be 6 years. So x is equal to 6 is neglected. Therefore, father age will be 39 years and son age, we discussed already, it was 45 minus x, and 45 minus x is what here? 39. 45 minus 39, that is 6. In this way, we can find the age of father and son by considering a situation which will be used in the real life. Hope you all found the solution how the quadratic equations will be useful in real life. Thank you, my dear children.